Hey guys, big announcement. As you can see, we have the big block next to me and the Fairlane up on the lift, and you know what that means. A project's going to be getting done. We are doing the Great Race this summer, which is a rolling car show from Minnesota to South Carolina. It is a timed car event, so it's 5 miles under the speed limit, and we are going to be competing with not just me, but at least 20 plus auto influencer women that I cherish dearly. We put out this idea a month ago to sponsors and to our female auto influencers, and everybody jumped on board. So as we travel from state to state, we're going to be picking up new auto influencers to come join us along the way. With that, we would like to thank some of our sponsors who have jumped on board so early. We would like to thank Coco Tires, Peak Performance, Summit Racing, Auto Crafters, King Cut, and Tech Force for all their support and the possibility of even getting this race going. So we have 3 months until the summer comes around, which means the Fairlane has to be done in 3 months. Yes, we did it again. I know we said we would never do it again. We love deadlines. So stay tuned as we get more sponsors, get more auto influencers, and get the Fairlane fully built for this race in the summer.